Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
India is surrounded by hostile neighbors China and Pakistan, and both are nuclear armed countries. As per SIPRI report, India has 156, China has 250, and Pakistan has 165 nuclear warheads in their inventory. In advent of war, the uncertainty always looms around both China and Pakistan around the no first use of nuclear arsenals. If India comes under the nuclear attack, it has to ensure that its strategic military assets and logistics are secured and survive the nuclear war, though any such attempt will literally eliminate the Indian adversaries. However, India still need to improve its survivability. The good news is that India has started working in this direction. You all might be aware of Border Road Organization, which is a leader in the arena of infrastructural development in the border areas of the country. BRO ensures the territorial integrity and socio-economic upliftment of the most inaccessible regions of the country such as Ladakh and Arunachal Pradesh. Recently, BRO has also received Guinness World Record certificate on November 16, 2021 for the achievement of constructing and blacktopping the world's highest motorable road at 19,024 feet at Umlingla Pass in Ladakh. BRO is also constructing Sila Tunnel, which will be the longest bi-lane road tunnel in the world at an altitude above 13,000 feet upon construction. It's being constructed using the latest new Austrian tunneling method and is considerably below the snow line, which makes it accessible during all weather. This tunnel is expected to cut down the distance to the China border through Tawang by 10 kilometers. It will also cut down by at least an hour the travel time between the Army's Corps headquarters at Tezpur in Assam and Tawang. As per the latest report from India Today, the Corps of Engineers of the Indian Army are getting the latest equipment to build tunnels for ammunition storage and nuclear hardened facilities. The nuclear hardened facilities are being developed in forward areas to enhance the capabilities of boots on the ground. As a part of PM Narendra Modi's Gati Shakti program, the combat engineers are escorting road connectivity to forward areas, ensuring that local communities and villages are included as waypoints in the plan. BRO is leading the effort in the connectivity of the roads between the strategic assets. More focus is towards the micro tunneling to ensure hardened defenses and operational logistics infrastructure. Tunnels for ammunition storage for Army and Air Force are being taken up in a major way.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.